Suck on no mother. Go suck on the daughter too if you not have one. We not give a fuck cause it's problems. Me say bullet in your face and you know we get it in. Bullet in the face, let it burn your skin. Yeah. People what's poppin'? I am the man. I'm feeding niggas out here. It's unbelievable. Unspot media, suck your mother. Owayne, Gaza blogger, suck your mother. Me, I telling you that we're back to listen bloggers, you know my people, because I'm going to put this on my YouTube. See, when they send us a KingMixUp, word on the street, Rygin King is a snitch. Who did ever put that on the street, not me? I'm the one that put that on the street first last year. I only reviewed it again because Craig get locked up, right? So, them boy, yeah, the nerd or whoever upon TikTok, you copying my shit, my nigga. Where they getting these things from? Only know Rygin King is cooperating the feds, and not me telling the blood clot that. Only know say Rygin King a cooperate the feds. Who telling her that? You see me I say, cause I send no court documents in New York and I don't have nobody in the courtroom like I do. So only know Rygin King is communicating with the feds. Why on the spot fraud media say I aim expose all of them things with Flippa Mafia as well, right? Co-defendant on state witness and all of these things. On stealing that from my channel. You see me I say, I plagiarize my things. You know what I mean? And not go and like say, Una the king. And I'm not in out here, rascal. Down to the picture and the teeth from my rascal thing. See the little yellow arrow and the boy head up there, son. I feel me own that. But back to Rygin King. Last year, I bust that him snitch. You know, and only re-reviewed it other day when we say Crayman get locked up and blam blam. Because we say Rygin King snitched on blam blam and Cray. How did I know that? Well, because I have somebody in the courtroom listening to a Rygin King case. That's why, right? That's why I'm able to get all of these things that Una run with now, right? Who introduced the evidence that Rygin King is there right for party with Crayman and blam blam? When you see my message with the individual who's in the courtroom. When you see it, don't you? Yeah, we have receipts and look at the dates. When we did get all of them things then. January and them things then. Right? So if you don't know Rygin King was snitching on Cray and all of these people, why I know not dropping? I don't know when I look out this of a blood clot story, say another conversation with me and my source in the courtroom. Come all have recording with Rygin King snitching. Yeah. It's kinda low, so that's why I didn't paste it for on the junk rows. But as you can see, me in the courtroom, don't you? Wednesday, January 14th. When on the drop, right? When on the expose Rygin King was snitching. When? I don't know why these so-called niggas out here lying, you know, because them lies can be blood clot. Proven to be false or true. Like I said, look on the date, right? This is September 5th, 2002-25. We dropped Rygin King snitch and blam blam and Cray. And when they hearing those similar stories today from Germs, Una reference the king. And that's why a lot of you wannabe journalists out there is going to get locked up and sued for defamation of character because in the site on the reference gonna go and like say Una have industry insiders and all of these things. And when you're doing anything there, you can still get lawsuit and you have to give up your source. Unless you're just going to have to pay. The media don't know. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't. And you can check the algorithm. It's available. Damn idiot, you know. No, this battle why I'm named Owayne Fish. One cokehead Gaza vlogger, you know. You see me, I say, if them not talk about cartel, nobody no fought pan in blood clot, you see me. So him run, we were the first one for run me Flippa Mafia story, right? And when him put it out, he said, it's being alleged, it's being reported. Nah, nigga, if I you would drop it, you not have to say them thing then. But you want to mention bad man name and say, I broke the story first because I got the call before KingMixUp. Really? You get the call before KingMixUp and you not post the story before KingMixUp. You get the call before KingMixUp and you not post the story. So that's why the person you are respond to say, you never drop shit, nigga. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't. Missy Man say, and these germs have to remember, say, everybody have the same followers, you know. But nevertheless, let's discredit this crackhead real fast. See man say, because see the timestamp when film drop film one. And they said, what time is it? After 1, don't it? PM. After 1 PM, Owayne Fish drop film remix story of my ish, don't it? Now I'm going to show you when I drop my story, isn't it? But before we get to that, I want to prove to Uno once again, these niggas is hooked on my shit. Every time I drop something, them notification go bang, go on. And them say, what kind of drugs KingMixUp I sell? A ganja where I deal with. But it look like you don't want something changa, some white shit, so I have to go over Flippa yard, you know. Stay out of my DM, nigga. No send no collaboration around you're supposed to hold. Same when me drop my story. Well, that's when I actually got the story, 12:37 a.m., nigga. And at it when I run with, cause I put Flippa Mafia got arrested again. And at that, my blood clot people send me and me put out, and I wanna run with it. So when me drop my story, what time is it? 9:59 a.m. AM is the key, cause AM is before PM. So if me drop my story 9:59 a.m. and you drop yours 1:03 p.m., who already dropped the story first? Right. So on I run down fame and I call up people named KingMixUp Vibes Cartel. And nobody no know no blood clot, you see me? Right? All of them want to be the man, but on the nuts. Me and the man in a real life before social media, after social media. Or they never set no mark in a real life because I'm a punk. I'm a punk. And thief. And if they up on the street, them kill on a blood clot long time. Because I'm not honest. And I'm not even upset. A long time we not kill so-called Jamaican vloggers, you know, my people. So this is so-called Jamaican vlogger volume number 1. We're going to start it all over again. I'm back to scaling these motherfuckers. You see me? Right? So you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. When you see the notification are forward, when you still circle the channel, you know. Because with us a drop, you see me, I say, yeah. And if you haven't checked out these next suggested videos on the screen, I suggest you do so. Because my favorite blogger on YouTube, I watch the whole of my blood clot video, you know. You see me? Bless. Oh, I forgot to mention because it's so entertaining watching people, you know, use your content because you're number 1. It don't bother me, it's just entertainment. So look at them boy, your teeth. All me Damian Jones picture. On the teeth me Damian Jones picture off of my Rascal YouTube channel. Cause look on the yellow arrow right there. Eh? That's how we know, say, I take the picture from my blood class sitting in this one. And I couldn't find one Damian Jones out there. I'm afraid I put up the wrong Damian Jones. Right? So keep that yellow arrow in mind, you know, my peeps. And what you see right there upon my thumbnail, the same arrow in the same location, right? And you know, on the spot media, big fraud boy, or you know, Damian Jones turned state witness. You know, tip that from a thumbnail to pussy. I don't need no credit from Monoka. I don't stink no blood clot. We still have a clean cash out there. You know, cash is still king at the end of the day, you know. So I don't want to feel any type of way, you know, with us a call out on the fraudness, you see me? You know what I mean? It is what it is, you see me? On a thief, I don't. On that joke, I'm not.